SealMaster presents Maintaining the World's Pavement, featuring SealMaster Pourable Crack Filler. Moisture intrusion into cracks is one of the leading causes of pavement deterioration. Crack filling prevents moisture intrusion into pavement cracks by providing a waterproof barrier. SealMaster Pourable Crack Sealer is a rubberized cold-applied asphalt emulsion that provides an economical, easy-to-use solution for filling and sealing cracks in all types of asphalt pavement. Pourable crack sealant is easily applied by several methods, including 1-gallon jug with pour spout, crack sealant pour pot, crack banding machine, or Crack Pro portable pump system. SealMaster Pourable Crack Sealant, the industry standard for quality and performance. For more information on SealMaster Pourable Crack Sealant and all other SealMaster products and equipment, contact your SealMaster representative at 1-800-395-7325 or visit SealMaster.net.